mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal, and you can't sleep thinking that he lies.
Hey YouTube, it's sekaijahk now. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not new. So it's currently Saturday and today's a game day, and it's also my girl Mel's birthday dinner and sleepover and stuff. So I was like, let me film the weekend. I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but yeah, my lashes are itching. But right now I'm about to start getting ready for the game and then making sure everything is packed for the sleepover. So I'm just gonna put on my clothes and then eat breakfast. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my uniform and then eat. So I'll come back to you guys. I don't even know when. I always say like, I don't know. I don't know. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty goals on. Got the ass to the floor. Okay, don't mind my AC guys, it's so hot. Ooh, I'm trying to get ready quickly. Cause, ooh, look at my hair, oh my gosh. I have to take my mom to work and then go to the game. And still pick up my friends, so I'll be so quick. And I gotta eat too. So I have breakfast, so I'm gonna eat quick. I got my bill. Yeah, my son is so cute. But we'll be off topic. Yeah, so today's a tournament. But I'm not staying for the whole thing because Mel's little dinner. Where is it? I have to make sure to walk with the wig band to sleep over. Okay. So let's try and fix these edges quick. You know, like this edge is so big. Like, what the hell? There we go. It like broadened overnight or something. For the thumbnail. I need to sharpen my pencil. Okay, and then lip gloss. I need this gel for the sleepover. I'll put this in another bag. Money in my wallet. Okay, and then let me get my jewelry box. So cute, girl. Okay, now let's finish packing up this bag. So bonnet, this. Let's put perfume. This is a nice shirt. Okay, I think that's everything. I love new tea. I always love tea. But yeah, that's everything right here, and I'm going to see you guys when we get to the gym and start chilling. Guys, we're in the gym. We're with manager Mish, Ayo Fave, Annalena. Hi. Okay, so Mish is going to help me with my hair.
Okay, what are we doing?
I love this song.
Yeah, we're gonna braid it or you're gonna put it in the bun?
Okay, you think I should put like
Do
scrunchie?
you want it to get curly? No, right?
It could. Okay, so you want me to put like a scrunchie to the top, braid it, and a scrunchie to the bottom so that everything stays in place?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing a fishtail.
Yeah. If you need a brush or anything, let me know.
Yes, queen, let's do this.
My camera dirty.
Did you see my hair?
Guys, we're putting Mish to work.
This one gets shot, so that's why I do fish.
Cali. You guys see that tutorials? Really cute. Guys. Really cute. Them earrings are not going to do.
Don't hit me. What's in here? But put it in for me. You're not putting it in your hair?
What?
You're not putting it in your hair? The braid is not going to look like this. Okay, I gotta fix it. But you know what? Fixtail braid don't be straight all the time. It just get a little sharp to it.
LOL. It has a little bit of personality.
Yeah.
I hope. Okay. Wow, it took me a whole year to learn how to put on these bows properly. Okay guys, so look. She did my
Okay, so I just did a braid. Get at me. You think this is short enough?
Take a picture of my phone.
Okay. But how time was 8:30. Where y'all boys at? Because I hope everybody running for laps. Look.
Hey guys, so we're at the tournament. And this is sekaijahk. Wait, did she post a video with my promo? Sekaijahk a hater. She didn't post it. She's a hater. 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 I'm hurt. Let me see. Shop Halo extensions. Period. Ayo, okay. Hey, so what's the case? I don't let what camera. Wait, let me see how they look. Let me see how they look. What's the case? I don't do this.
Okay.
Sekaijahk. Why you? Oh, there it is. So you don't like do some clips like here.
What's the chair like that? Like over here?
Yeah.
I afraid like they snap and the thing drop.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh. What?
Okay, so hey guys, I have Sekaijahk camera, but she don't know recording. So we're at the game right now. I'm gonna record her while she's sharing because they'll do such a good job. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because I have something on. Let me go put this on. Put that shit on. Okay. Amma, you wanna stand up? Let's go. That's it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I can't show the whole outfit because yeah, camera ain't anything enough, but okay. Hi, Sissy Bob.
Last. We're losers. I feel like every time we look, we have similar wigs.
For real. Always twisted teeth.
Guys, I can't wait to go to work.
We'll go to the concession with you.
Yeah. So we both bring our wallets and everything. Potential, like. You think I should put my jacket? I kind of like it like this with like the thing.
Yeah.
But like the blue jacket looks better if I hide my blue jacket.
Jacket or no jacket? Or leave it open?
That jacket looks good with it. This is not connected. Close. I like it close. Man, pull that shit. Guys, we over here watching Disney. Guys, see picking my feet back here. What are we looking at? Esta me barata que está malvada. Hi guys.
I want to see you. Hey guys. Let's take a picture. Oh yeah.
So guys,
Sorry guys, we was taking pictures.
my teeth are blue.
ASMR. Guys.
Our next game is at 2.
And it is 12:02.
It's the iPad channel.
It's currently
Wait. Look at the line on her screen. Put the password in.
it's currently focus.
Guys, in a couple minutes, we're gonna go ask parents what's their favorite cheer.
Wait guys, I'm gonna show you to my guys, look at my favorite seniors.
My little camera is that. Hi guys.
Look, she-
Hey, Sekaijahk vlog.
Okay guys, say your name and your favorite cheer.
My name is Naidior and my favorite chair is
Not on 90 or
Rowdy. My favorite chair is Rowdy guys.
Mine's is Get Back.
Don't take no
Okay.
slack. Just get back to my favorite. Look at it. No, I don't want to be in it.
What's your favorite cheer?
Okay, so my chair is Rowdy, and oh, my name is Andy Spell. Y'all know me, I was already in this vlog. But, yeah. Now back to this ugly thing.
Like you, like point it back.
It's wet.
Back to I'm gonna give you the camera to Jenny with the good hair. Oh, I don't
X that out. Hey, she got on bake. That's
Are you see this video?
Hey,
Did you see this video?
Wow. Jenny, get back the camera. Hey, we had to get it. Your wig had to go. We had the game. We had the game. Okay. Back to me. I'm gonna give the camera back to Sekaijahk. Oh.
No, Sekaijahk, give it us for us. Marley.
the bar.
You knocked it down. Pick it up. Sorry, guys. We have a little bit of technical. Okay, guys. Oh my God, I want to get the ball. Okay, guys.
I didn't get the ball.
So right now we are.
Not our parent.
We are.
Let's ask them.
Let's ask Miss. Hi, Miss Stevens. Can we ask you a question, please?
Do you mind
It's for
being
a TikTok.
recorded?
Okay. Hi, Nana. Nana, please. For a TikTok. What's up here?
So now we're gonna. And yeah, I'm holding the vlog. So now we're gonna go ask. We're gonna go ask Anaya's mom if what's her favorite cheer. Oh, you want to with me? Bye.
You have to sit and cheer.
Oh, 6, 7, 8. SCEC Barras. Let's go. Yay! So now we're gonna go and ask more parents. What other
I hope
parents?
Sekaijahk caught this.
Cut all of it.
I could stop recording and save her battery
Wait.
because we're gonna be here for a while.
Okay.
Get ready with me after a game.
For real. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in forever. I feel like, wait. You know the scene in Teen Beach movie?
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about. On the daylight.
Why do I do so good? I'm taking the ball right now. How did the trip go so bad?
Okay, now we're gonna put back on our jewelry.
Did you leave yet?
Yeah, did you leave yet?
I got it.
Is my thing foggy? We're leaving, guys. Ooh, I'll keep stepping in water. Let me go pass by the football game, no? They don't have sexy. Click on a side quest. Like, how we reach inside a plaza? A side quest. How we reach inside a plaza?
It's kind of.
Why are we in plaza?
Choose your adventure.
Not even west. East. East Plaza.
Cozy blanket.
Look at my belly, man. Look at my belly, Nelly.
Oh my gosh. Can't wait to meet you, King.
How did you know it's a boy? I don't never know what I want.
I feel like I'm gonna get old people saying.
I never know what I want.
Jay's deal.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I
Jay's
need
deal.
her. Drip out.
I have it right here.
Oh, this is so good. That's the baddest drink out. Strawberries, cherries. Hello, the accent. Let's trip out for my video. Come.
Pick whatever soda.
You better run up on me if you do that. I'm gonna trip out.
There's something wrong with
Oh, we're going for pizza now.
We're leaving Plaza Extra East.
What's
Shared by my
technically-
Stanley. Oh, Teresa looks so mysterious. How? He was just looking out the window like a little ooh girl. Plaza.
Hey guys, so we just left Plaza. We're going to Napoleon's now to get some pizza.
Put my next one.
I need to go to the 7. I need to go to the 7. What is this? Cause this like
Stilettos. 6 ounce. In the club, yeah. Wait, let me find the other one.
Stop. I gotta stop. Put me in. Put me in. I gotta stop. You have an Hold on, cause I am never. Okay, wait, this.
Wait. I gotta fix it now.
Stilettos.
Stilettos, pumps, in the club.
Wait.
I need to take out the phone. But now I'm a trip out. Stilettos, pumps, in the club.
Did you wish?
You know my hips don't look.
How would it be? Would it be like?
You know my hips don't look. I started to feel it.
I don't. Give me a drill
Let me
song.
shout,
Give me a
here you
drill
go.
song. Give me a drill song. Give me a drill song. Give me a drill
No,
song.
hold on. Let me talk.
Let me talk.
Bubble stick when you walk. I'm too tight, got the drama. Glamour. We're just so brain rocked. Like, oh my god. Guys. I think my edge is stuck with something right here. Yeah, I gotta fix my edges before we go out because. This is cute. I like that. Ayo. You don't like the bedazzle pants? You don't like bedazzle pants?
Okay, so if you see that, you see bedazzle. If you see that, you see this.
Hell no. Ew. But this is different though. Oh, I don't like the big ones.
This ain't Texas.
Ooh. Ooh.
I have a shirt like that, fire.
Nike do? I gonna buy this. Who wanna guess? I got a picture. We free.
Ultimate trick.
Hold up. Hold it.
Like yeah, nigga, and a Nike tech.
When you see my year 2 month, ask what we want. What do you want for Christmas?
Okay.
It's a way I stumbled on my words so bad, guys. I meant when the senior 2-man, not seniors, but like when we're senior and we get a 2-man, but we're going to have that we have planned out. We had this 2-man plan out for years. Yeah. Solo and Ibiza. Hey, look, we got a fat oil dude. For me. Guys, Office Max is my home. Oh, the glue is not here no more. Sorry. Where did they move the glue to?
Oh, that couple's cute.
Oh my god, clay. Can we make butter slime, guys?
Butter slime?
Yes, there's clay. 'Tis the season to get naked. Pop that booty. Baby, use a freak.
Different kind of crayons.
Back in the day, I only had one box.
Pastel, neon.
Back in the day, I had one box of
I
crayons.
have to work with any color.
Yeah, but aren't you glad like there's more variety?
Or like the red one, the red detergent.
Embarrassing.
I had to stop you.
Okay guys, so now what we're gonna do, take all my stuff so I can get ready because it's already like 5:30 and the dinner is for 7:30 and it's in West, so we gotta drive all the way down there. Where did I put my shoes? Okay, they're there. I'm doing gold shoes, gold bag, and my black dress. Need my brush, my comb. I'm just gonna take everything on my bag and then I'll show you guys like the whole outfit after I get everything together and I know what I'm doing. Okay, so there's all stuff here. I'm gonna lay everything out. Toothbrush in the bathroom. Let me just put my camera on the other side. Y'all are gonna hear the fan, but like, fuck it up.
In my car.
Okay, yeah, so we're all set up. Got my stuff right here. My clothes and my bonnet and stuff over here. And yeah. Yeah, I love my room. It's so cute. There's a mirror. I love mirrors. Okay, yeah, fresh out of the shower. And like honestly, I can't go out anywhere without brushing my teeth again. So we're gonna do that. And then me and Mel are gonna make a TikTok that's like, you know, good girls who don't come outside get cheated on. And we're gonna bring them our home clothes and transition to us like in a while dinner clothes like walking out, you know. But yeah, we're going dinner all the way west. I have never been to that show. I don't know what it's show. Well, I'm gonna go get ready and I have to flat iron my hair again and fix my edges because they're like messed up. And I think I'm gonna get ready with my TikTok. Okay, y'all can't really see me because how the lighting is, but like we're getting ready now. Mel's trying to find a light source for me to use. So I'm gonna straighten my hair. I just gotta comb it out. Y'all, like, I wish I could even use my flashlight, but like, my phone is so hot. It's not really a lot. I just want to do the front piece. Oh my gosh, should I do that on good terms? I haven't watched this so long anyway.
So cute.
Right.
And I didn't think the baby was gonna come out with orange hair because in one of the episodes.
Is that her actual baby though? Like,
Yeah. Well, not in real life, but.
okay, cute, cute. I think my chain is on Final looks, guys. Final looks. This is hair. This is her hair. Her dress.
It's not done yet.
Where's the mirror? It's gonna get there. Body too. Yeah. Yeah, I love this color on me. Like, it gives grown. Do you think so? Is it giving grown? Hey guys, so we on Kaiji camera. We here at the venue. There's people here. Oh, my section. I look. Okay. So Kaiji, you're gonna see this when you edit it. We just got here and my reservation is for 7:30. So hashtag great cutesy. Hey guys. Hi, good night. Okay, so we're gonna update you guys in a little bit. Nah. That's my favorite flower. Isn't that the guy from?
I am the way.
Ayana. Hi guys. Hi, we're at the dinner today and we're gonna be ordering. What are we ordering?
I think the salmon Alfredo.
You don't understand.
It's okay, everyone. Really?
Because we weren't cheering.
My next location, next location. Where are you going, ma'am? Where are you going today? Hey, where are you going?
Follow. Keep up. Let's go.
Guys, I took pictures and they're so teen. They're really, really teen. Amazing. That was speaking toilet. I'm like, why would you like question the speaking toilet? Yeah.
She does really good things. But we need to find a theme first. Yeah, like remember I said we wanted to announce a theme. Thank you. Because I have seen this one TikTok that I have really
Let's try our shirt.
Tell me like endearing names.
Let's try it.
Wait.
because their homecoming theme is real and they're dancing, you know. Oh yeah. And that was a bad thing. We're doing our outer
Catalina.
I'll go need a little
He was at the gift.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Very different.
Yeah, like that. Rip it right out of it.
Why is it wet?
He told us whatever, how he can make it as spicy as he wanted.
I will this is it.
We're gonna be royals. You can
Wait, when does that remind me of?
We just got your red
It's going to be really popular. I'm thinking like just a random singing at the table.
You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melanie. Happy birthday to you. Wish my phone was alive. First I got up out of bed.
Yes.
Now I got my life is under control.
They never spoke again. Kind of stuff. Even played pillows. When you put so. And then when you put that honey too,
Can I pay a phone?
it's right here.
Can I have it, please? Okay. Can I go on TikTok?
This is like golden
You got
hour.
games on your phone?
Can you open it?
They're so pretty.
Thanks, you're pretty too.
Let's do
I'll bring you one, okay?
Okay guys, we're back. Don't change shit just because I'm little. I bet you ain't never got chased by a midget. My hoe keep calling my phone because I'm with a whole host and my mouth start spinning. Guys, I was eating these peach rings and they violently attacked me. They violently attacked me from inside of my mouth and I got a cut. I don't think I can show that on here. Guys, this is like, I was surprised because like, okay. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I like this song. I want the pink blanket. Oh, the slime stop. Wait, let me go around. Okay. Wicked slime, guys. Choose some more picture. Who can make the best slime competition? Go. Who can make the best slime competition? Okay. You guys are fine. So big and like, like soft.
Someone to lean on.
Guys, you know, guys, seriously, I gotta tie up my hair. Okay, guys. Okay, why did I put activate a couple of food or something? Real, and then I It's Sunday. Just got off. And we're going to the beach today. Well, we're about to play some Roblox. So I was like, let me go brush my teeth. I need to put my camera in the trash also. It's time for breakfast, guys. Rishi say hi. Guys, so we're gonna. You want hot chocolate? We're gonna cinnamon toast crunch. We're back in the bathroom, guys. I gotta fix my hair. Okay. Yeah, I had a roadie sleep last night. Well, not really, but like. I'm good. Sleep. Use the comb first. Y'all know this is hurting my head. Y'all love this color wing on me. It's cute. Okay, so what I do is I just take the brush. Well, the electric comb and I brush it up and over and up and over. And then if I have to pluck any hair out, I do that, but I think I could just use my gel and apply that out. And then like since it's like to the side, well first I gotta separate this because I like to have some here in the front. So pull that back, this forward, and take the comb and then just rip that hair. Sorry for those guys. Like you, I go like in the face. Yo, I wish I had a bathroom like this. My bathroom is so cute. Okay. I'm gonna put some pink on it. It's so hot. So hot. Why is it so cute? Okay, let me get out of here. Let me take my toothbrush out because I don't want to forget it. Yep, lace melted. Still growing out my scalp. Okay.
Let's go to the beach. Each, let's go get away. Hey, hey, what they gonna say? Take a drink. I'm on the floor, floor. I love to dance with you.
Oh my gosh. So hot. Can you do this?
If the seats is too hot, I can get a little towel to put on the seats. It's not too much.
I'm on the floor, I love to dance. Don't get me move, move. Starships were meant to fly.
We're at the beach now, guys. It's raining. Mel, say hi. What do I want to eat?
Wings, you think I should get plain wings with ranch or barbecue wings? I'm like, there's something there, but it's raining.
Yeah, he was over there with a bike.
I think I'll try the virgin watermelon. Do you guys do chili too? Can I have one?
Me as well.
I will let you guys know I don't have cherries, but I can make them.
Okay, thank you.
I knew something was off about that. Yeah, like, in here. Oh.
pizzas, and would you like to add a side?
Yeah. And the same thing for me.
Same for you?
Lobster? I like seafood.
Alright, I'll have
Food tour, guys. Guys, it smells really similar, really cute, really cute. Set by me, set by me. Bye, bye. Pour her up, pour her up. Ooh, baddie, baddie shot. Oh, God. Whole time it's actually really simple, guys.
Hey guys, so I have the camera.
This ain't real.
Hey y'all. Ooh, I need to go in the sun. Dark skin activity. Hey y'all, this is me. I need a camera. Say hey. I need a camera. I want a camera.
But yeah, so we outside. You know. You know. Who I don't know. Only put the baddest heifers on the floor. Only put the baddest heifers on the floor. What are y'all talking about? Well, that smells so good. I'm debating whether or not to go down there. Go down there. But you know,
We're not borrow.
yeah, I think I should do have a poll. What does the poll say? The poll says yes. The poll. Go or go. For real, go or. Okay.
Next week?
Yeah.
There you go. No, not right now.
Hey y'all, so I feel like I need a camera now.
I was informed.
Y'all, I need a camera. This is Kaylee. Say hey. This is Mel.
Hey!
This is Sekaijahk.
Hey! I feel like it would be fun.
And this is me, and I think I need a camera.
Cute! Like, and then like, you know, like zoom and it switch to you, yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Where you get this camera from?
Amazon.
For how much?
400 push 500, I think. That's cute. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna do my friend. We're gonna blur it together and we're gonna. Wait, should I put it like this?
I need a camera.
Right here? Okay. Come back, guys.
I want a camera. You buy me a camera for my birthday? Nope. I hate people like she because I don't buy she one. Yeah. Okay, well then don't believe me. I really need a camera. I want a camera. I need a camera. I'm gonna send my mother this. I need a camera.
Look at these girls back there.
rent these chairs.
Don't even let it see you. Okay, we're gonna eat. I won't put you on the camera. Are you listening to me?
Yes, I said okay. This is the cake, guys.
Mel, come closer to go. Get it here. Okay, you want like spin it across the.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit. If I like it, then I'll have more.
Okay, well, yeah. No, I taste it. Yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot out here. I'm sweating. I hope my wig stays on. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I'm leaving now.
Had a very fun weekend.
Very, very eventful.
Literally. So we're gonna see you guys, you know,
Next weekend, what's yours?
the next weekend.
Is it next weekend? Or the weekend after? Is it
I think it's the weekend after, yeah. We're gonna see you guys then.
Yeah.
Definitely be seeing more of us. I forgot what I was gonna say.
But yeah, hi to Q's.
Bye.
Bye, Q's.